Hey everyone! Oh my god, so this came in today and I told my husband I am filming this. I said I cannot wait. This is my absolute favorite company and I am having a blast with their stuff for my traveler's notebooks. It's all I use it for is my traveler's notebooks. And oh my god, it's from Felicity Jane. So, oh my gosh, let's open it. Oh, Jiminy Crickets. I love this so much. Oh gosh, their stuff is just amazing. Oh my god, it's so amazing. Okay, let's go through it together. Let's see what we get. So we have acetate, vellum. This is vellum. So remember to use your sticker maker. I'll show you the back. Remember to use your sticker maker in order for you to adhere these down, because that makes it where you can't see through it. You know, if you use glue dots or something, you'll see through it. So that's not good. Oh, look, it says hi friend. Oh, look at, and you can totally cut this out, like Fussy cut it out and use that also. That's Bus. He's in here. Oh, look at how beautiful it's. Oh my gosh. Let's look at this one. Oh my gosh. So excited. There we go. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, look at these. I love bows. I use so many bows in my project life. Now when they have a sale, I've been waiting. I've been patiently gritting my teeth, but patiently waiting for them to have a sale, Felicity Jane to have a sale, because I don't buy anything full price. So I'm dying to have the things go on sale, and then I plan on buying a butt ton because I am in love with everything and I use it all. So it'd be different if I didn't use it all, but I do. So you get a stamp set in here always. I want to say the kit is $45. I think it's $45, or it could be $48. I think it's $45 or $48. It's so worth it, you guys. I love this. Puffy stickers. I'm filming this at night, so it might be a little bit more darker than usual. So pretty. And see, and what I'm going to plan on doing, well, that's why I'm waiting for a sale, is because I want to get doubles of everything and use it for my project life also, because this stuff is so awesome to use in project life. So like these, right now I would probably take off one row of each of these colors and use it on my project life. So I just love it. And then you get 3x4 cards. Oh my goodness. I told my husband, you get in the room, I'm going to film. He's like, okay, okay. And then I think these are all one-sided. So let me go one by one. So oh gosh. Now what I plan on doing is at the end of this video, I'm going to turn it off, and then I'm going to cut my paper like I always do for my traveler's notebooks, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like after I cut them down, because I do the standard Dory. Be kind to yourself. Oh my gosh, look at that one. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, see, and you can also fussy cut around this one too. Oh, awesome. Oh my gosh. I cannot help myself. I totally looked at I drooled over this one because I don't know what it was. I think it was Instagram. I saw some of the colors of this and I was like, oh my god, I gotta look at the whole kit. And so I totally looked. But it is even better in person. It is so much better in person. Wow, I'm in awe of this company. I am in awe of this company. It's just amazing. So pretty colors. Just this is totally my daughter right here. And my daughter, she's so funny because I'm always telling her, because she hasn't lived here at the house for many years. She's almost 27, and so she doesn't live here, and I don't think to steal pictures off her Facebook and stuff. So I told her not too long ago, I said, you need to send me pictures, that way I can scrap them, because she's one of those selfie child, you know, she does selfies a lot. I don't like, I've done one in my whole entire life and that was enough. I'll never do that again, not that I'm aware of anyways. I don't I don't like them. So I don't take pictures in general, much less selfies, but she does. And so she sent me some more pictures last night. And I told my husband, I was like, okay, I guess she likes these the most and she wants me to scrap these. So I will be doing that. So and then she's wearing what she's wearing will be perfect with this collection. Oh my God, you guys, follow me on Instagram to see what I'm going to do with this collection, because believe me, I am going to start working on this stuff ASAP. I cannot, can I just kiss every single one of these items? I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. So sorry the picture's a little bit dark, but you know, it is night, but I wanted to film it. So forgive me. Alright guys, I'll see you next month with Felicity Jane, and keep looking for a sale, and if you see a sale, let me know. You know, tag me on Instagram or on Facebook. Alright guys, thanks. Bye. Okay, I'm back. I just finished cutting up my paper. Now with this one, what I plan on doing is getting my scissors and cutting this for the scallops. So I use everything possible. So this is how I cut my paper. I do the standard dory, which for me, I have so many paper cutters, you guys, so this isn't just one. But I found the standard dory, since I cut so many of them, what I do is I mark. So this is 11. And then this is wide, 11 wide, and then 21 length. And that's how I cut it. And then when I have to cut them down when they're in the tan, that works for me. So I like the standard, just cut it all, no-brainer kind of thing. So this is what that is. And then this is what you get. So remember that they're double-sided. So this is how I keep mine together. So like this, double-sided. It's easier for me to show you this way. So double-sided, it's the same one, right? So this is one, and then if I want to use the same pattern on each side, I can. So yeah. I really love every single pattern, so it's rare. Well, yeah, it's rare that I use both matching ones. So okay, and that's how this is the 12 by 12 paper. So this is this is my standard dory. So this is what I need. And then this is the branding strips, which Felicity Jane makes it where you can see them, or you have a pattern on them. I should say that they have a pattern on them, so you can use those too. See, like it says dots and stars on one side, but it has a pattern, and I use these too. These are great. These are great to use for those long strips. And yeah, so that's that part. And then here's another part. Because the one was a rainbow, I kind of cut it funky. That way I can use more of the rainbow part. So this is what I usually get. This size right here is what I usually get out when I cut my standard size. So these are also scraps. So scraps. But yeah, use it all, guys. Use it all. It's like a foam, like the foam adhesive. You use it all. Like there is nothing that gets wasted. That's how I feel about this paper. And then this is the other part of it. So this is what you also get. So you get a butt ton of these too. And this is a good size. And then you get this one. So you get quite a bit from a 12 by 12 paper. So you get this one right here. Then you get this one. Then you get this one, and the branding strips, and your standard dory, and your that was like the intro to the paper. Now, what I also recommend is that you what was I going to tell you? That you start off as a standard dory, because you can always cut down. You can't add, and the standard dory is, you know, kind of standard, right? So if you want to go down to like a nano or whatever, the micro and all that, you can cut these down, but you can't add to, well, I mean, you can add to them. You just use washi tape and stuff, but why, you know, start off big and then you can cut down as needed. That's what I recommend, but that's just me. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you all next month for sure. Bye.